Hello all and welcome back to the channel. I'm a GoPro lover, and something that I've always loved about the GoPros is the addition of a removable lens cover with the Hero 5. This means that if you were to drop it, scratch it, or crack it, you could install a new one in a matter of seconds without compromising on the water resistance rating. I have in my possession a Hero 7, 8, 9, and 11, and they all have the same removable lens cover except for one. The Hero 8 removed this functionality for seemingly no reason and is the only GoPro since the Hero 4 to not have a removable lens cover. Now, can you guess which of my GoPros I dropped while on vacation, cracking the lens cover? Yep, it'd be the 8. Fortunately, the fix is fairly easy to perform using a replacement kit from Camera Butter for just $16. This is a company in Canada, so if you're in the States like I am, expect shipping to take about a week. Let's get started. Before I begin this repair, I put on some gloves simply because I do not want to get any oil from my fingers on the lens of the GoPro before sealing it back up. While the kit comes with a small jimmy tool, I'm going to use this larger one I have on hand. Note that this is going to pop out very easily on camera because I actually already popped this out while I was on vacation so I could continue to use my GoPro. All you'll need is a blow dryer or heat gun, as well as something to jimmy it out, such as a pry tool, razor blade, or X-Acto knife. With the cover off, we see quite a bit of adhesive residue. It's very important that we get all of this off before installing the new lens cover to ensure a good seal. I'll use a plastic pry tool and tweezers to work all of this old adhesive off. Now, with the adhesive gone, I'll use a microfiber rag with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean up the lens and ensure there's no remaining adhesive around it. Finally, just before we install the new cover, I'll use some compressed air to ensure that there are no specks of dust, dirt, or debris on the lens before we close it up. And installing the new cover is as easy as removing the plastic protecting the adhesive and dropping it into place. I'll now work my hands around the edge, applying moderate pressure to ensure it adheres well. And with that, we're done. It's likely overkill, but I'm also going to use this small clamp to apply moderate pressure to the cover overnight to further ensure the seal is good. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.